Adobe just made one of its biggest moves in years. It's bringing Photoshop, Adobe Express, and Acrobat directly into ChatGPT. And this isn't some light version. These are real, functional tools built into the chat window you're already using. Here's what you get now. Photoshop inside ChatGPT means you can upload a photo and tell it exactly what to do. Remove a background, brighten a shot, retouch a portrait, tweak colors, and ChatGPT gives you real editing controls right in the chat, no app switching. Adobe Express adds one-tap design power. You can create flyers, thumbnails, social posts, posters, anything just by describing what you want. It pulls templates, lets you customize text, layouts, graphics, all conversationally. And Acrobat inside ChatGPT basically removes every PDF headache, merging, compressing, extracting text, reorganizing pages, even redacting sensitive info, all with prompts. The surprising part? Adobe is making these tools available for free globally as long as you're signed in with an Adobe account. This is a massive step in turning ChatGPT into an actual creative workspace, not just an idea generator. For everyday editing and quick design jobs, this could easily replace opening 3 separate Adobe apps. Sure, pros will still stick with full Photoshop, but for fast edits, social content, or simple document cleanup, this is a game changer. And honestly, this is the most seamless Adobe has ever felt.